So yeah, there's a lot of content out here that's talking about men and how to master men and stuff like that. And it's just so much that I see that I kind of just scroll. Am I going or am I not? Okay, I kind of just scroll because what I do know about men, the thing that you have to know to master men is that there are two things that come into play: what their nature responds to and what nurtures them. What nurtures them is all the cute stuff that they say to you about, oh, I like peace and I like this and I like that. But that one that brings them peace is the one that they'll get bored with. They like that chaotic bitch that doesn't give them a lot of predictability, and she stays on his mind all fucking day. So if you can kind of master what nurtures a man and what his nature responds to, you'll kind of have it in the bag. But it has to be natural.